favorite things in the world. The fact that I can go live constantly and always have something that is not running correctly. Nothing can just work out nicely. It's always got to be a frustration when doing stuff. Today has been thoroughly exhausting, as most of you guys... Now we can hear you. Yeah, well, it's probably coming through the wrong microphone. There we go. Okay. Awesome. Well, today has been a very interesting day so far this morning. Thoroughly exhausting. We will touch on all of it in a few moments. Today is both the summary recap of the Nobleblocks AMA that happened with Delroy himself making an appearance publicly for the first time in several months. We're also going to talk about the fact that it is raid day. So everyone better be ready for the raid today, because it is going to be a unique raid and it is important that everyone partakes. I will be initiating a new incentivization model here for these raids, in that anyone who partakes in the raids will be promoted to a raid leader in the Telegram chat. Anyone who does not partake in the raids will be demoted down to just a regular normie DeSci shiller. So hopefully you guys are excited and amped up today. Let's see. Good morning, Truth. You were first, so shout out Truth. Hell yeah. Good morning, Thuna, Beagle, Roy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And yeah, hope for no lag today. Well, I got an... Amanda purchased me an Ethernet cable, which is running from the router in the other room all the way through the hallway and down into the office, plugged into the computer. So the upload speeds today are up at 600 megabytes per second, which is about 20x stronger than what is needed for any kind of reasonable streams. So if this lags, I'm going to be super sad and very confused. I also went through and figured out how to change my location, so it now knows I'm no longer in Amsterdam, so that's also bullish. Aw, she loves you. She does. It is a very grateful... I am very grateful for the amount of support that she provides on a constant basis. Now, first up, how many of you guys came from the Nobleblocks update, the AMA? A rare Delroy sighting. Very rare. Unfortunately, all it did was tank the price, so that is not bullish. In fact, it is quite the opposite of bullish. We had the AMA, and for some reason, despite getting everything that people asked for and all of the updates, people still were inclined to sell and dump the token, because you can never actually do enough for people that don't understand the venture capitalist world. You are VC investing, you are angel investing into small scale companies in the hope that over a year or two, over the duration of a bull market, you see some good returns as the product is launched and things are implemented. But apparently everyone in the Nobleblocks chat specifically, and I am pretty fired up right now because I think the amount of hate and heat that is coming for the people who are actively trying to work and improve upon the project is a little bit unjustified. And now, honestly, I should probably not be live right now talking with all of you guys, because I am feeling pretty fired up, and I think it's kind of ridiculous, everyone's expectations. They're like, I know we don't have a product, but I really want to see my favorite influencers shilling literally nothing so the token can go up and I can sell quickly and get out of it. It's like, shut the fuck up and just sit there and understand the reality of what you're doing. You're investing your money into a token that is an ecosystem token dedicated to a platform for researchers and scientists. The platform is not ready yet. Why would there be money wasted on marketing just so that other people can come buy your token like a giant Ponzi scheme? That's not the route that's going. That doesn't make any sense for anyone to take that kind of a route or an approach in crypto. That is how you get scammed. That is how you get fucked over and over and over again. It's the same model constantly. You see the ones that are winners, that actually are able to succeed and onboard large scale corporate structure, are the ones that take an approach that allows for time and for roadmaps to play out. And so the community got together and we did an AMA, which is phenomenal. And honestly, if you still can't see the vision, just fucking get out. Just stop. I'm done. Like, I am sick of having to just clean up after everything that happens and just be damage control 24/7. I have a litany of things that I have to do every single day, and just sitting in the Nobleblocks community chat is not something I'm going to be doing. So, love you guys. That's the update. That's the summary from my little bit of irritated POV with it. Price in the entire crypto market for altcoins and specifically DeSci is not up today. Nothing is going well today. The whole market is just chilling, waiting for that next leg in Bitcoin. And so nothing is going to happen until that happens. We talk about it consistently. It's the flow of money through crypto. I really don't get how it's that difficult for people to like drill through their heads. And I understand very much so that like you guys chilling here with me today are not necessarily the people complaining in the Telegram chat. The problem is the people complaining in the Telegram chat asking for more and more resources are not the people who are actually going to go consume the information. They don't care. Nobody gives a fuck. It's exhausting. But flow of money in crypto. It's even more exhausting to see. You know what? No, I'm not going to. That's all right. I will rein it back in. But here's the chart, guys. Here's what you're waiting for. No, I don't want a fucking YouTube video. Here's the flow of money, guys. So we go from fiat into Bitcoin. That's what's happening right now. Then Bitcoin into large caps like L1s. Then the large caps into mid caps into low caps. What stage of this are we in? Is Bitcoin pumping or are micro caps pumping? Bitcoin is initiating a breakout. Bitcoin is starting to rally. We're in the stage at which Bitcoin and Bitcoin ecosystem plays are going to start rallying. Bitcoin just broke out of its downward structure. Then we're going to be going into the large caps. That'll be some of the Bitcoin layer 2s and some of the strongest coins in some of the larger narratives, such as the strong AI coins, maybe the strong gaming coins, maybe some of the strong layer 1s or layer 2s start to rally. Then it's going to go flow down into the mid caps, and you'll see things like some of the renders of the world or the ICPs starting to run a little bit, or some of the like Jupiter swaps, right? It's the flow of money through the cycles. Then after those start rallying is when you start seeing some of the very small caps start running. And of course, you can always have the offshoots in which some project skyrockets 100%. That is very given. That is stuff that happens all the time. But as an overall flow of the market, DeSci is all low caps. DeSci is not going to get a bid until after we see the flow of money. We need Bitcoin to rally. Okay? Because this is honestly what everyone is waiting for. They just like aren't actually listening to any of the information that's given to them. Where is the... We need Bitcoin to do this again. It's going to have a little bit of a spike, right? It's going to break into all-time highs. It's going to chop for a little bit. Maybe it comes back down and retests. Maybe it doesn't. But then it rallies like crazy up into close to 100,000. I think it just hits this circle. So this drawing is a little bit further than what it needs to be. Maybe it looks something more like that. And then we're going to have Bitcoin just chop. Okay? During this period of just consolidation, cool down, and chopping is when the altcoins run. It's over and over and over again. Maybe everyone lost sight of it. Maybe everyone forgets it. But over and over and over again, this is what happens. Bitcoin's going to rally. And when it stops rallying, that's when the altcoins start going crazy. That's when it makes sense to market stuff. That's when it makes sense to launch your platform. That's when it makes sense to actually give a push when the momentum is on your side. Right now, it's not there yet. We talked about it yesterday too. Bitcoin dominance is still skyrocketing. It's at an all-time high for this cycle right now. It is still going up. Marketing your altcoins during Bitcoin dominance bull run is not how you get anything to move. That's not how you make profitable use of your money. So that's my 2 cents on all of it. You guys are fully up to date on the roadmap. If you guys want me to go through everything that was said on the AMA again, I will. But Jesus Christ, guys. I mean, look at Solana. Solana is probably the strongest altcoin in the entire market. Solana is the easiest slam dunk layup for an investment in crypto right now. Everyone that's doing anything on crypto is all through Solana. It is the most user-friendly interface. It is the most onboarded product out there. They have all of the greatest like retail-focused products that are actually making movements in a fundamental user case for crypto. And Solana is not. Solana's going down. Solana is actively getting rejected from this trend line. So Solana hasn't even broken out yet. The altcoin bags everyone is packed up on is not broken out yet. We need to wait just a little bit longer, guys. Everyone has waited so long. Everyone has already gone through so much pain and suffering. Just hold tight and stop fucking complaining to me. We are strong supporters. Let's go, Thuna. You guys control as well, Truth. Honestly, I just needed to get that off my chest. And I didn't want to say it in the Noble Telegram because it's not going to be received nicely. You can vent today. We bros. Let's go, Truth. Patrick, you're doing a great job. Don't let the riffraff get you down. I appreciate it, MK. I appreciate it. Building the chart. Let's go. If he makes you feel any better, I'm only holding Noble and Lake, which weirdly feels like I'm supporting you and Mandy. Truth be told, man, you need to get some more coins in the portfolio. I think that's what a lot of people's problem is, that they just are balls deep in one coin and it's not moving, so everyone's getting salty. Truth be told, you got to have a little bit of diversification, even if it's the most bullish thing that you can possibly imagine happening for a coin, like what just happened to Dynex, where they announced that they're going to do $10 million of buybacks. Like $10 million worth of Dynex is going to get bought back over the next year, right? The market cap's 30 million. So $10 million, that's a third of the current market cap. A third of the current circulating supply is going to get purchased by Dynex. Dynex has like 90% of the supply in circulation. So almost everything is going to be, a third of the entire supply is going to get bought back over the next year because it's completed by 2026, right? That is a crazy bullish thing to state for a coin. The coin is down today because none of it matters right now. None of it matters right now. The market's not in a spot in which altcoins are rallying. That's just the truth of the matter. Now, let's get a little bit more exciting, okay? Let's be a little bit more excited here now. DeSci Shillers, it is raid day. It is raid day, baby. Let me take a sip of my... Actually, you guys wait here for a second and let me go get my energy drink. That's probably the problem right now. This is funny. You can do a Don't Die Halloween costume from Brian Johnson. Where is a good funny video? Andreas is just posting a bunch right now. Here.
Security for researchers using zero.
I will be right back.
Use the new privacy and security for researchers using zero-knowledge proof technology. Traditional profiles like ORCID IDs are valuable for showcasing credentials. They publicly disclose all details. A zero-knowledge proof system will offer a secure alternative, allowing researchers to verify qualifications such as degrees, publications, or affiliates without revealing personal details. With this decentralized approach, you'll retain full control over your data, and this means you can choose who sees your credentials, adding a layer of security not available in centralized systems. Zero-knowledge proof verification ensures the accuracy of your profile without compromising privacy, letting others confirm your credentials when necessary without exposing sensitive information. Built on the Internet Computer blockchain, this new feature is designed to offer a trusted, secure, and privacy-centered way for researchers to manage and verify achievements. We're excited to roll out this transformative update soon, which will empower researchers to showcase their work with confidence.
Imagine getting into Amazon. I'm not saying Noble's the next Amazon, but imagine getting into Amazon at like a $1 million valuation and then complaining that they haven't initiated marketing yet before the platform is launched. I mean, how small-sided do you have to be? Get 2 energy drinks just in case. Celsius, baby. That is one thing that I wish I had invested into a while ago. I think it's Celsius Holdings, CELH. I remember going to a Thanksgiving holiday back here. So I think it was it might have been even earlier. I think it was 2016. And I went to this Thanksgiving, and one of my cousins brought his girlfriend at the time, and his girlfriend was a spokesperson for Celsius and was on some of the billboards for Celsius. And she gave us all samples of Celsius to take home, and it was a really, really healthy alternative to energy drinks. And that's what it was being marketed as. And I should have just gone out and purchased it because I was like, this is actually a pretty good drink. And Celsius stock was under $1 at the time, rallied all the way up to $100. That would have been a crazy, crazy gain. But guess what, guys? Guess what? It also took 3,000 days for that to happen. Sometimes this stuff takes a little bit of time, all right? Despite Celsius as a stock going down 99.77%, it then, because it had a good product, it then rallied up 180,000%. Okay? Yes, it took some time. It's okay. Everything that is good takes some time. Now I wanted to go to YouTube. We have 7 concurrent viewers right now, so let's go ahead and see if we can get some extra likes on the live stream, please. We're going to take this, we're going to copy it, we're going to do a drive-by like, we're going to close out of this, we're going to go to DeSci Raiders, we're going to post it in there. Come raid. We're going to go back over here, and what we're doing for the raid today is unique, and I believe it was Don or Derek which suggested it yesterday as a raid activity. So what I am envisioning today being is we go to each of the DeSci projects that are on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and we come down and give them positive support. How do you feel about Noble today? The community is bullish about Nobleblocks today. Come spam and vote on Nobleblocks. All right? Let me put it in the chat. We're going to go through some of the DeSci projects, and we're going to show community support. I think CoinMarketCap has it better than CoinGecko does as a feature, but we're going to come. We're going to go over to Nobleblocks, and we're going to post, I'm bullish on Nobleblocks, and then we're going to make a comment. Feeling like the AMA was perfect. And then we're going to go to X, and we're going to grab the AMA and see if we can post the link. 190 people tuned into the AMA, so there is plenty of time for more people to be joining it. And post comment. PS crypto. No. Display name. That investor. Upload a different picture. Let's get out of here so you guys don't scam me. Where is my profile photo? There it is. Crop. Save. There we go. You see that? Feeling like the AMA was perfect. This is the raid today. Do we have to register on there? Yeah, you need a CoinMarketCap account, which you guys should probably have already if we're being honest. But regardless, you make a CoinMarketCap account and then just post something exciting about Noble in here so that on CoinMarketCap, the community sentiment is better than what it is. So this is the raid idea for today, is just bolstering the foundation of some of our DeSci projects as a public persona. It is showcasing community. So you guys are going to be the ones that are doing it, basically. There's 9 of us viewing. Anyone who I see posting bullish comments about the DeSci projects, and we'll go through. It's not just going to be Noble. We're going to go through and do a bunch of them. That's going to be part of the raid today. Any of the DeSci projects that we see, we're going to post. And whoever I see posting is going to get a promotion in the Telegram to raid leader. Anyone who does not partake in the raid today will be getting demoted. There we go. Johnny says he did a like. What's your bullish price target for Noble? Yeah, I believe very firmly my base case for Nobleblocks. My base case for Nobleblocks is 25 cents. 25 to 30 cents, which is around an 8,000% gain from here or an 80x. That puts the market cap in 80x. Where's my calculator? The market cap being 1.4 million right now times 80 puts the market cap at $112 million, which is not a lot at all. There will be thousands of cryptos out there with a market cap of 100 million or more. That is my base case. My bull case scenario, in which everything goes right for DeSci, for DeSci and Noble, is $1. That is when I get the tattoo. That is when everything in the, like, all the stars aligned, everything went perfect for Noble. It goes to $1. That is a 30,000% gain or a 300x. Right? That's a 300x. Fun fact about it, 1.4 times 300 puts the market cap at 420 million. Still not even $1 billion in market cap, meaning it's not in the top 200 cryptos in the market. This is just Nobleblocks getting to be a large player in DeSci and DeSci getting to be a large narrative in the industry. This is, and by large, I mean DeSci is 2% of the total market cap, which is substantial, but very small still. That's a 200, if everything lines up really nicely, we're looking at Nobleblocks being a run-of-the-mill DeSci project and DeSci being the biggest, like one of the bigger industries, not the biggest, but one of the bigger industries in crypto. And we're talking about crypto as a whole, the total market cap for crypto going to be worth $10 trillion, which is not outlandish at all in my humbled opinion. We're looking at a 3x to crypto. Well, closer to a 4x. We're looking at a 350% gain in crypto, which is pretty damn reasonable considering everything that happens in crypto, right? We're looking at just a standard cycle, 10 trillion. Maybe it only goes to 7 trillion and 2% of that is only $150 billion, right? If it goes to $1, I'm getting tattooed with you. I mean, I'm down for it. Let's send it to $1. Skid Success Kid is also a solid play. Only 880 million supply. Sounds like a meme coin. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Elevate. I see 3 new names here. Are you guys coming in from the Noble Telegram or are you guys coming in from whereabouts? Just the YouTube search page? Curiosity. If it goes to $1, I'll finally upgrade my phone. If it goes to $1, I'm getting a tattoo of it. If it goes up 300x, I'm going crazy. Another reminder to you guys, Nobleblocks getting up to that 25, 30 cent area, my base case, a roughly 100x from here. Go 10,000% gains, somewhere around there is when I'll be planning the yacht party. Nobleblocks planning the yacht party. And anyone who is holding on to Noble will be invited. I'm from Noble Group. Well, welcome, Science Statistical. Appreciate you joining in. Hopefully you heard, but were not offended by the rant I went on about the Noble Group. Yeah, I just don't think I'm going in the Noble Group today, to be honest. I don't think I'm mentally suited to have to talk with everyone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I thought Boat Party didn't have a paywall. Richard Hart code is free speech case 2 p.m. Eastern Standard today. Nice. Ain't no party like a Delroy party. If we can get Delroy on the yacht party, that'd be bullish as fuck. I'm not saying that the yacht party is going to have a paywall, but I am saying that there's probably only going to be room for like 30 people on the yacht party. And so low key, it might have to be people who have 1 million Noble or more. That is the undisclosed $1 million incentive. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That was a joke. Haha. Just a joke. It's just patience, guys. It's just patience. I know it's painful right now, but find me a chart that's not lagging behind Bitcoin right now. Find me a chart that's not lagging behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin just started breaking out. So it's going to take a little bit more time. I mean, the total market cap for crypto is still low key in that downtrend. Bitcoin broke out. Bitcoin broke out of its downtrend, but the rest of crypto is not following suit yet. So it's going to take some time. You think the Ethereum holders right now are pissed? They are. You think Solana holders right now are pissed? Not yet, but it's not looking great right now. It looks like it's about to come back down. My Jupiter swap trade, I was up so much. We're coming back down. I'm only up like $700 now. All right, let's see. How many of you guys bull posted Noble on CoinMarketCap? Bullish. We got Truth Seek. I'll write these down real quick, just to make sure I don't forget. I'm going to write them on my phone now. We got Truth bull posting twice. I don't even see my bull post, though, which is a little bit weird. Bullish. I think they probably censored my link. Who is that guy? I missed the instructions. Instructions are to come to CoinMarketCap and bull post about some of the DeSci projects. So we're starting with Noble. I gave everyone a minute to bull post about it, and so far only Truth has bull posted. There we go. Now, we'll go on to the next one. This is the community feed, but I think we need to have a split screen here because I don't see a CoinMarketCap, I don't see a CoinMarketCap list of DeSci projects. So we're just going to go down the list. Should we bull post Origin Trail? I ain't see no bull post from you, Thuna. I only see Truth. Unless you are secretly Truth on 2 different accounts, which is possible. That is possible. Should we bull post Hippocrat? I think we should bull post HairDAO. What is this side of it? I was unaware of the community tab being so robust here. Would you guys like to bull post Hippocrat? Yes or no? 1 in the chat if you want to. 2 in the chat if we should not bull post Hippocrat. We can go down the list and see which projects you guys are most bullish on, because I don't want to just force you into bull posting about anything other than Noble right now. Noble, you have Noble and Dynex right now, you have no excuse. I'm laying down the law here. We must bull post both of those because those are 2 of my bigger bags. But the rest of it, I will leave up to you guys. I posted, but I don't see my own either. Damn it. Is CoinMarketCap ripping us off? They don't want us to succeed, boys. And if there's a woman watching, they don't want us to succeed. Why aren't they letting us bull post Noble? What is this side of CoinMarketCap that I got to? I don't understand. Even my post is gone. I only see truth. What is going on? I see 16 views and 1 comment. Let's go comment underneath this guy. Underneath Truth's post. Everyone who's partaking in the raid, just so I have a mental note, because everyone's voting for these different DeSci projects. Everyone just go comment underneath Truth's thing here, because I think it'll show up here, so that I can keep a mental note of who to get demoted and who to promote. These will be the raid leaders, ladies and gentlemen. I posted it on my wall. Okay, that's probably what's going on here. Noble, Dynex, Data Lake, and Axon. Beagle, that is a good list to initiate with the raid. A very good list. So let's go on to the next one here. We'll come back. Don't worry, guys. We'll come back. But next one up, DNX. DNX. What is wrong with my keyboard? Dynex. A little bit of bullish news for you guys. A little bit of excitement. Even though, again, this is how I know it's not just a Noble problem. It's a broader market problem, because Dynex, a $30 million market cap, just launched and initiated buybacks equivalent of $10 million. They are buying 1/3 of the supply at current valuations. They're buying $10 million worth of Dynex over the next year, and the price is down today. That is actually some cognitive dissonance that makes no sense to me. That is one of the most bullish things. 10, come on, keyboard. 10 million in, why can't I type in this? Buybacks announced. Bullish is, why is it doing that? In understatement. Post comment. There we go. I was on recent posts, C90, but I don't see anyone's posts, which tells me that something fishy is going on. There we go. There we go, Mika. Okay, here we go. Now we're seeing all of them. Now we're seeing all of them. This is bullish. This is bullish. 30 people viewed Truth's post here. You're going viral, Truth. How's it feel to know you're going viral here? So we got Mika. Who is this? Who in the live stream is this right now? Very important question. C90, I know who that is. Thuna, I see who that is. Hodl, I love it. That investor. Aw, who follows me? Great AMA. And Truth, bullish. Okay. Dynex, second one we're bull posting. Literally announced $10 million worth of buybacks. Price is down. The opportunity for Dynex has never been more present than it is right now. This is like actually an insane opportunity, in my humbled opinion. $30 million market cap. Dynex is going to $1 billion. Easy. All right, Don with the Diddy Oil comments. Okay, bullish. Scientistical. Let's go. Let's go. Are you in the Telegram? Hopefully you're in the Telegram because that's where the promotion's happening. Anyone who partakes in the raid today is getting promoted to a raid leader. Anyone who does not partake is getting demoted. Dawn, I'm speaking directly to you. I don't see any comments from you, Dawn. I know you just arrived, but there's no excuses. I ain't see a single comment from you. Let's refresh and see if you guys are rating appropriately. I gotta put the coins down. Let's go, Danny. Let's go. Who is Danny in the chat? There we go, Danny. Are you in the Telegram as well, Danny? All right, I just said like this post if you're rating. That way I know who to promote and who to demote. So far we got Danny. We got Scientistical. We got C90. We got Thuna. We got Truth. Bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. All right, on to the next one. We are bull posting Axon DAO next. Axon DAO. My keyboard hates me. %95 bullish on Axon is kind of crazy with 800 votes. Dynex has 1,500 votes with 87% bullish. I'm scared to look at Noble. It was 75% bullish, but I don't know how many votes. I'm bullish on Axon. Let's just post that. This is bullish for sure. Their cure ring is actually kind of crazy. Doesn't show anything I do there, says Beagle. R.I.P. Beagle. This is good. Honestly, guys, I still haven't given you your money for the Research Hub raid, and nobody seems to be asking for it, so I'm just gonna keep all of it. Cool? Beagle shadow band. No, I'm just kidding. I won't be keeping all of it. I will give it to you guys. I just need to know who actually gets it. So far, only one person is showing that they voted a bunch of times. It was Thuna. Thuna's the only person who's come forth and said, hey man, I voted a bunch. Everyone else is just staying silent. So if you guys don't want the research coin, I'll just split it with Thuna. Oh, I forgot it was Halloween. I didn't even dress up at all. I forgot entirely. I woke up this morning, got on the AMA, talked about Noble, got shit on for talking about Noble, and then went live. I voted twice. Bullish Dawn. I can take it all. Okay, we can split it. I want research coin. Don, twice doesn't cut it. I voted 3 times, which means I voted more than you, which means you don't get any. Thuna voted 30 times. Thuna said they voted 30, or between 40 to 50 times, Thuna says. Thuna gets it. Who's Digital Cash? And we got Danny rating again. Let's go, Danny. Let's go. Bullish on research coin. Okay, literally just give it to the fish then, huh? Listen, Don, you had the opportunity. You had the opportunity, man. It was a proof of concept for the Raiders too, and I'm just saying it went really well. And I'm also saying people are noticing. We got some power behind these raids for real. There's actual momentum here, and I want to keep riding off of it. People saw. Like Research Hub saw what we did. They're hyped up now because we got them into that top 10. You guys got them into the top 10. You didn't need a wallet. And if Thuna found, listen, Don, if Thuna found a way, you're just making excuses here. If Thuna found a way, that means everyone else could have found a way. If you really wanted it, if you actually were dedicated to the task here, you would have gotten it. Who is Digital Cash? And the last one up here was Data Lake. Data Lake down a little bit. Bullish on Data Lake. Data Lake is a, come on, a 1 billion What is wrong with my keyboard? Holy shit. Are you guys seeing this? Data Lake is a 1 billion... No, not 1B box. Is it? Come on. I might be done with these raids. You guys are watching what's happening, right? What is going on? There we go. Holy crap. That was insane. Cat keyboard for sure. That was insane. All right. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. We got Zach. I will add you to the list there, Zach. Zach. We got Danny again. Digital Cash. Still not sure who that is. And who the frick is it? QN7FMBHCK08I. Who is that? Digital Cash. If you want the promo in the DeSci Raiders Telegram, you got to come forth with who you are. Johnny. Okay, Johnny is the random no name, so we will be promoting Johnny. However, I don't think... Johnny, are you in the Telegram or you're just in the Discord, I think? I will snitch. You are in the telly. Okay. Franklin, that's bullish. Let's go, Franklin. Active raids, baby. Active raids. 6ix9ine and Diddy are in the same prison. That's sus, Zach. That is sus. Who do you think Digital Cash is? Definitely not Don Digital. That would be making no sense at all. So I feel like this is a no-name. I'm going to just have to demote Don, unfortunately. And SBF is crazy. Diddy, 6ix9ine, and SBF in the same prison is crazy. Okay, who else? Who else shall we bold post on the behalf of? We're just trying to boost the fundamentals behind stuff, right? Because when normies enter the space, they're going to go look at things like CoinMarketCap. And like it or not, a lot of normies, which will be coming in over the next 12 months, I guess I should start saying 11 months since we're entering into November here. The normies coming in over the next 11 months are going to use the social sentiment tool at the bottom of the page on CoinMarketCap as a dictator as to whether or not the project is legit. So, bull posting like this occasionally firm cements a lot of these DeSci projects in people's minds as being solid potential investment opportunities. So if we want that new cash coming into the market, we got to be positive with what we're doing here. Poor Noble, literally drawing down DeSci right now, down 18%, back down to the lows. I'm gonna cry. Listen, I'm suffering more than all of you guys on that one. What's good, Yeti? Yeti, you just missed the raid on Dynex. We all just went to the Dynex coin market cap and we bull posted on the community tab. Don't fade Dynex, best project. Look at that. Getting truth. Why isn't there more focus on quantum computing like Dynex? Bullish. Danny, bullish on Dynex. Dynex, me, bullish on Dynex. All voting positive. The $10 million in buybacks blows my mind that it's not like going viral right now. I mean, it's doing really well. It is doing very well. But that is a crazy amount of money to be putting in. That's a third of the market cap going into buybacks over the next year into 2026. How far into 2026? Hopefully not that far. I think it's a mistake to be buying tokens at all-time highs, but funnel all of that in right now. Right now. Bolster the treasury right now. Bull post Genome. That's bullish. Let's go find Genome. Genome's DAO bullish. We're hoping to be done by the start of 2026 ideally. That is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This looks like Genome. Let's go bull post Genome, bullish. I'm not going to type anything. Genome, I'm bullish on Genome. I'm going to delete that. Post comment. Latest. There we go. Hell yeah, boys. Bullish, Danny. Let's go. Genome, bullish, unbelievable project. CYG public launch is next week. That is nice. Hopefully it can continue sucking liquidity from the market. CYG. It's not the beta, right, Zach? The public launch is next week. Do we have a specific date yet for it, or are they just saying at some point next week CYG will be launching it? Awesome video with Etika. Thank you, Yeti. I appreciate that. Thanks for hooking up the connection. The man sounds very smart. It'll be interesting to see how it all progresses forward over the next couple years. It's like a solid Web3 DeSci project. Most of the other DeSci is like Web 2.5, which I'm bullish on Web 2.5 for sure as the segue into Web3 stuff. So it'd be interesting to see if they can actually get a solid grip on the publication industry. But I think the initial jump right from the current model into something like Etica is going to have a long runway of convincing people that it's an appropriate model. So I think like an easy access point into something like Etica is the 2.5 stuff. But I think it's cool. Is there anyone else you want an interview with? I mean, everyone. CZ, can you hook it up with CZ? Is he into quantum computing like that? Zach, what is the date? Probably Wednesday through Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So back end of next week, expect a massive profit taking on CYG. Heard. I'm just kidding. Hopefully not. I'm hoping we get this pump up to $4. On CYG specifically, I'm hoping we see the launch of the platform and then some cool funness like this. We go like this. That would be the most bullish case scenario for Patrick. Maybe we go a little bit higher. Let's do that. Let's do something like that. My anticipation is to be taking profits around $4 on it. I think it will go higher, but in the short term, that is a crazy run, and I don't want to get sucked into pure hopium for it. More deep in, but you can run science stuff on their node setups. Octaspace. I'd be down to talk to Octaspace. I see a lot of really cool things happening with them. So if I could get the hookup through you to have an interview with Octa, that would be crazy. I'm very bullish on Octa. I just think it's going to take some time. But that is everything. Everything is taking time. Nobody is patient anymore. Like that's a bullish chart. Let's be real. It's a bullish project with a lot of cool fundamental use cases, a lot of partnerships coming out of Octa, and the chart looks gorgeous. Maybe they mentioned DeSci on next Talk to a podcast. If one of you guys gets on that podcast, make sure you shill DeSci, please. 100%. They are a partner of Dynex. Let's go. Listen, if you get on Real Talk with a lot of you guys right now, Real Talk, okay? I am happy to go on any kind of virtual podcast that is out there for other creators. So if you guys have other creators who have relatively small channels, right? Because it's usually like similar size collaborations. So just being real, probably not getting on Talk to a podcast to talk about DeSci. But if you find some other people with channels that are similar in size, give or take a few thousand, get me on there. Like I'll reach out to them and try and build a connection with them to get onto their spaces to talk about decentralized science. And we can get some exposure to the whole place as me being a representative for all of the projects, not just any one project, but the whole space as a whole. Oh shit. We got a celebrity in the chat right now. Bullish. We have a representative from Octaspace. Hey, man, if you or someone from your team wants to come on the page, on the channel here, we got X and YouTube. Yeti did a bullish podcast. I've had several interviews with other founders of other projects in the crypto space. I would love to have you on as a guest so I can ask questions and get some exposure to Octa. Been paying attention to them, especially through Mikra, I think. Mikra. I always forget their name, but I know anytime I see their posts, I stop and read it because it's super bullish. This person is really good at writing and really good with their posts, and so they gave me exposure to Octa. I think it's great. I'm game. Let's go. Hit me up and I'll love to have a chat. That's bullish. Tarek, how do you pronounce your name? Tarek? Tarek, probably. Yeti with the connect again. Did Yeti, you just reach out to him and be like, yo, join this? Should we go bull post Octa? $44 million market cap. So bigger than most of DeSci. However, still small. Still small enough. Bullish. 94% bullish on 2,300 votes is crazy. Angry Bull says he is bullish on Okta. Basically what I did, just hit him up and said join. Yeti's connected like crazy. Yup, Yeti does stuff like that. Yeti's a good dude. I don't know how you're like a tardigrade. You're just everywhere all the time. And Yeti, if there's another opportunity to host an X space in the name of Dynex, please hit me up. It was just an unfortunate travel day when you hit me up, and so I didn't have the opportunity to, but that would be a dream come true to do something like that. So hit me up. I'm open to everything. Pause. Hit me up. I am open to a lot of stuff. But this has been good. I don't know if you want to share your Telegram or your Discord here. But Yeti, if you could send it over to me or create a little group chat with the three of us, that would be greatly appreciated. And I will set up the space to start talking about Okta. It is a very bullish looking project. I see a lot of cool things coming from it. So yeah, this raid was very successful. And thank you all for listening to my initial rant. It was an aggressive rant, but I was feeling a little bit passionate about everything that just went down. And so thank you all for not immediately abandoning the live stream once I was going crazy. I can set up a group, no problem, bullish. Just make sure you bring the hard questions. Loves a good deep dive. All right, good. Good. My questions, maybe not hard in the traditional sense of it, but I come from a perspective in which a lot of normies are going to come from. So asking some of the questions that I'm going to be delving into with different projects and different interviews may be simple enough for you guys to answer as people who are deeply rooted in the projects, but they're questions that some of the public facing people are going to be curious about. It gets good exposure, a good way to simplify complicated subjects into normie-friendly language. And always on the fly, conversational. Sup, Thuna. You're posting too frequently. Take a break and try again later. CoinMarketCap hates me. RIP. Maybe that was a successful raid then. I think I got everyone who is a participant in the raid as well. I got Danny, Scientistical, C90, Thuna, Truth, Zach, Johnny, and then unfortunately I have to demote Dawn, so that's a little unfortunate, but that's okay. Looking forward to it. Hell yeah. Yes, Dylan. And then right after this, I will be going and clipping some of the stuff from yesterday's live stream because it was a very bullish live stream yesterday. That rant I went on, I want to clip and post out there. Nerd Nuggets is apparently going crazy. So that Telegram's up to like 45,000 people in it, but 20,000 players on the game. So yes, bots joined that Telegram, but 20,000 players in Nerd Nuggets is very bullish. Oh. One last raid for anyone who wants to partake. This is for a good friend. This is for a good friend. He just messaged in a group chat and asked for some support on this thing. Holy shit, this went viral. Sam Arms. Some of you guys probably know Sam. He is a lobbyist in Florida who works with Gary Cardone, Grant Cardone's twin brother. So Sam said after Florida has a complete Republican sweep and gives every single electoral vote to Donald Trump, we're going to become the most advanced Bitcoin state in America. Florida Treasurer Jimmy Patronis makes history with letter endorsing a strategic Bitcoin reserve, pushes state pensions to add Bitcoin. That's crazy. So this is something Sam worked on. Sam worked to help push this forward, getting digital gold, aka Bitcoin, into the state's pension portfolio. That's crazy. Hell yeah. I'm going to tag him here. And then if you guys could raid this post, it'd be appreciated. And that'll be the final raid for the day. This is crazy bullish, and this is a crazy bullish initiative. Sam continues to do more for Bitcoin space than anyone else I know. Post. Profile. Let's go ahead and hit that like button. We'll copy this. Sam is a bodybuilder for hobby, not professionally. He just is a strong person who goes to the gym consistently. Okay, looks like I will be bear posting all DeSci on CoinMarketCap now. Dawn, god damn it. If you want to, Yeti, I'm open to, I think your network seems to be extraordinarily valuable. I am open to anyone that you suggest that you think would be down for an interview. Let's get that list running. I'm so down. Let's send it. No, yeah. Plus, I want to get more involved in Dynex specifically, but I'm down for all of these DPIN projects. That is a narrative I'm super interested in as well. And I think a lot of people will stop complaining about the price of Noble if they understand that you have to diversify a little bit. If Noble's 100% of your bag, it's just questionable decision making. No one coin should be 100% of anyone's bag, even if it's Bitcoin. It doesn't make sense. But not to encourage anyone to sell, go buy more, make it 100% of your bag. It's just silly. But I'm down. Let's get some exposure for all of them. Yeah. Look at Trump's last tweet, second to last tweet about Bitcoin. Okay, second to last tweet. I strongly condemn the barbaric violences against Hindus, Christians, and other minorities. Interesting that you'd bring this up. Oh shit. Oh shit. I would like to wish our great Bitcoiners a happy 16th anniversary of Satoshi's white paper. We will end Kamala's war on crypto. Bitcoin will be made in the USA. Vote Trump. That is crazy. Come on. What are the mining stocks? We got Mara. What else? What are some of the other stocks? Mara, Riot. Shall I send you my portfolio and get your opinion on my portfolio, or is that NFA? Behind closed doors, I will give my opinion. Just understand that it is not coming from a position of financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. I am simply a financial enthusiast. Riot, Hut. That's probably good enough, right? 3. That's crazy. Free Ross day 1. All right, your time is your most valuable asset. Hopefully this was worth investing it into. I appreciate each and every one of you guys being here with me. I believe I have a complete list of the shillers who will be getting promoted to raid leaders in the Telegram here today. Anyone who did not partake, unfortunately, you're gonna be booted down. Thank you all, and I will see you in tomorrow's live stream.